right, for this problem, I can get my tools to work here. You're going to, this is kind of tricky when there's two letters, you're going to take the x plus h and you're going to plug it in where you see x. So I'm going to try to do this with two different colors here. So you're going to write the equation just as you see it. F of x plus h starts with a -3. We're going to replace x with x plus h, and then we're going to write the rest of the problem. So then plus 2. And I'm assuming they're going to want you to distribute that 3. So it would be -3x minus 3h plus 2. And because those are not like terms, we cannot combine them. So that would be your final answer, -3x minus 3h plus